Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best home coffee roasters in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these home coffee roasters, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. KALDI Motorized Home Coffee Roaster. This roaster delivers the look, feel, and final product of a coffeehouse-worthy machine, and our tester found it worthy of the top spot on this list. It will transform your at-home coffee experience, unearthing the optimal flavor notes in every batch of beans. A high price tag makes the item a long-term investment, but the features and performance are worthwhile. The stirring drum holds up to 250 grams of coffee beans, though 200 grams is the recommended amount per batch. Fully motorized, all you have to do is place the roaster over a gas burner to or heat to be evenly and thoroughly distributed across the raw coffee beans. Our tester said the entire process took 15 minutes or less. This isn't a beginner's machine, and our tester noted the setup process is tricky. However, once you get over the learning process, it's easy to use. Cleanup is also simple. If you are looking for a truly professional experience, this is the machine for you. Other features include an easy-to-read thermometer, a probe rod, and a reliable chaff holder. If this machine isn't quite the right fit, measuring 14.1 x 8 x 22.1 inches, KALDI also manufactures a high-quality mini roaster that is smaller in size and slightly cheaper. Reasons to buy: roast beans evenly and consistently. Easy to use once process is learned. Minimal cleaning needed. Reasons to avoid: small yield for large machine. Instructions are difficult to understand. Number 2. Fresh Roast SR540 Coffee Roaster. The Fresh Roast SR540 turns raw coffee into a delicious, ready-to-brew batch of beans, and the whole process takes just 10 minutes. Our tester appreciated the slim, simple design and found it both easy to use and fun. Simply turn a knob to select between 9 levels of heat and hit go. The item is easy to use, yet it comes with a few advanced features like a real-time temperature reader and the ability to cool beans once they are finished roasting. The moderate price tag makes this a worthwhile investment, particularly for those new to home coffee roasting. Depending on your coffee roasting needs, however, the size of the product might be a considerable drawback. It holds just 4 ounces of coffee beans, which works great for personal use, but may be a bit small if you want to roast a lot of beans at once. Aside from that, the Fresh Roast SR540 is highly reviewed, affordably priced, and a great way to upgrade your at-home coffee. Reasons to buy: highly adjustable, easy to clean, saves space. Reasons to avoid: small capacity, subpar chaff collector. Number 3. Nouveau Eco Ceramic Handy Coffee Bean Roaster. Nouveau Ceramic Coffee Bean Roaster lets users make coffee via the old-school fire roasting process. All you have to do is place the item over a gas stove, campfire, or electric cooktop for an average of 15 minutes, though times do vary to produce richly roasted coffee beans. Be aware that it is not compatible with induction cooktops. However, the manual, handheld item can roast up to 70 grams of beans at once. This is a smaller capacity than most electric roasters, but still enough to brew several cups of coffee afterward. While the grip does protect your hands, it's wise to wear gloves while using. The hot roaster should not be placed on a cold surface or immersed in water. Even though it's a serious tool, the item is attractive enough to use as a decor item when it's not roasting beans, so you can leave it on display rather than hiding it in the pantry. Plus, it comes at a budget price. Reasons to buy: sleek design, easy to use, value for money, great for beginners. Reasons to avoid: small capacity, no instructions included. Number 4. DYVEE Gas Coffee Roasting Machine. This sleek, lightweight roaster only needs to be placed over a gas stove to get your morning coffee started. It's primarily made of stainless steel, but the drum is made of sturdy quartz glass, which lets you see the beans change color as they roast. A wooden handle provides an elegant touch as well. The roasting process where this item is more hands-on than that of electric models, but it gets the job done nonetheless. As a silver lining, the manual turning offers more control over the beans. It has a fairly large capacity, holding up to 400 grams of coffee beans, but 200 to 300 grams per batch is recommended for optimal use. Keep in mind that the purchase does not include a gas burner, even though one is featured in photographs. Customers also recommend outside use, as this roaster can get smoky. Reasons to buy: can see beans while roasting. Even bean coverage. Reasons to avoid: slow roast time, limited versatility. Number 5. Mixman Home Coffee Roaster Machine. Mixman's Home Coffee Roaster not only has one of the largest bean capacities you can find, it's also one of the most affordably priced machines out there. It holds a whopping 750 grams, roughly 1.6 pounds of your favorite coffee beans. Customers give the item especially high marks in durability and value for money, suggesting that it's a sound long-term investment for coffee lovers who want to craft their favorite caffeinated drink from step one. This roaster is also extremely user-friendly. The inside is lined with non-stick material for easy cleaning, and it's simple to adjust the temperature thanks to a dial that goes from 0 to 240 degrees. Flip the switch, and in just 30 minutes you'll have rich, home-roasted coffee beans, or, as an extra perk, you can roast various nuts. Reasons to buy. Reasonably priced. No stovetop required. Adjustable temperature. Reasons to avoid. Durability concerns. Manually stir while roasting. No chaff collector.